Hey, what's going on, traders? We're going to be covering the Robinhood stock and where it's most likely to go tomorrow. And we're going to be going over the pump that's coming in the future. But also, I want to let you guys know that all comments, if you guys subscribe and all the comments that you guys leave, I will reply to every single comment and I will work one on one with anyone who needs help with the stock market. I have been doing this for a while, but I'm new to YouTube and I have no subscribers yet. But um, anyone who's willing to subscribe and help me, I'm willing to help them right back. So let's get started. We have the federal fund rate hike tomorrow, and that's at 2 p.m. That's going to make the market very, very volatile. So if you don't know what that is, that's when they increase or decrease interest rates or keep them the same. But if they do something that is not, like already counted into the market could potentially see a drop or a pump. Makes the market very, very volatile. And for newer traders, it's a bit harder to trade during these times. So it's better to avoid them and wait for a market to pick a direction. But we can see what happened today. We sold off a pretty good bit, around 4.6%. And in my yesterday's video, anyone who watched it, not very too many people, but anyone who watched it, I did say it was going to be very tough for us to break this and we might see a pullback, and a good buy zone would be right underneath $39 a share. And that's funny because we actually reached 38 38.85, I believe, right when we started making that turnaround already. So if you bought right underneath $39 a share, you're already in the profit. And honestly, we got a lot of room to keep going up. This stock is still probably going to double very soon in value. And we'll go over that today too and see exactly what happened. But the plan for tomorrow, as you can see what happened today, we sold off a good bit. Well, the entire market sold off. So it's not too many stocks that went up today. Crypto went down, everything went down. Um, but we did not break that low point from yesterday, which is a good sign because this could mean that it's a higher low and that we could continue to be trending up tomorrow. And another good sign, towards the end of the day, we did not actually sell off a whole lot. We actually, right before market closed, pumped up just a little bit, which means there are people and traders out there willing to hold through the night in anticipation of it actually going up. And the fact that it didn't sell off, bag holders and people that's been holding it are not planning to sell anytime soon. So those are two really good signs right there. The plan for tomorrow, if we end up breaking this support, which is 38.85, that's the low of today, then anything below 38.85 is a good buy zone because that's going to be very short lived. We most likely, that's going to be a good dip buy opportunity because since we are closer to the support and we have not broke it, it is possible. But since we had a sell off today, um, at this point, it's a 50-50 chance whether it's going to go up or down. But if we break this support and you buy then your chances of it going up are a lot higher, and there might not be that much room for it to go lower after that. If you do end up buying, or if you already bought, the plan is to start selling around this price, 42, anywhere at $42, below $43, because that definitely is the resistance right now. If we take a look at the moving averages on the bigger time frame, on the 30-minute time frame, we did not break the moving average. We broke the EMA, but we retested and started going back up. If we re-break this EMA, we could potentially go all the way up to this resistance here, which is $42 a share. And again, that's pretty good percentage-wise for day traders to, grab that extra profit. On the 1 hour, we got rejected yesterday when I was saying the goal is going to be to break through this. We did get rejected and we broke through the EMA, but we're coming right back up, which is a good sign, means we're not done yet. The pump is not done yet, and we want to retest this because on the second run, we could potentially break it. And even if we don't and we come up to here, $41, $42 a share, that's a good trade from now at the price that it is now. If we do end up breaking it and we break the resistance, we could see a really big pump from there. But on the 4 hour time frame, and I've seen this happen so many times, once we create a really big low like this and we start, finding support, break the EMA on the 4 hour time frame, we start going up and everybody starts hopping in thinking we broke the time frame. That's when it sells off and it shakes out the traders that are not confident because people are thinking, oh, we rebroke, now we're going down. This, like, I've seen this, and a lot of times this is a fake out. It happens so much, and if we start, like, a lot of people will start shorting here because they think we're going to go all the way down. But if we re-break this, we're potentially going to see it climb very fast all the way up to $42, potentially breaking that and going even higher if we re-break the EMA, which is at um what price is it at? 41, about $41 a share. So I would be very careful for tomorrow. We got to see what we're going to do at, you know, this point. If we pump, or if you day traders scalping trades, I would be getting in at around $39 a share. And if we go a little below that, then you can really get in. But unless a lot of bad news comes out, then you don't want to bag hold it all the way to the bottom. But these price points are very good, and the fact that we didn't break the yesterday's low, which is a good sign. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll keep updating. Make sure you guys subscribe because I'm updating this stock every single day. Analysts are predicting this stock to go way past $60 a share. Long-term holders, this is such a golden trade right here, and I don't want anybody to miss this opportunity because these don't happen that often. And this stock has so much potential, and at the price that it's sitting out now because of the economy and because of everything, this is such a good opportunity right now. So I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you subscribe and comment, and I will help anyone who's commenting and asking questions. I'll see you guys tomorrow.